Have you considered who would make medical decisions for you if you couldn't? Designating a healthcare proxy or power of attorney ensures your wishes are followed even if you're unable to speak for yourself. Today, we'll explore the best way to choose and designate a healthcare power of attorney. I'm Anna Burr with Burr Law. If you want more insights on protecting your future and your loved ones, make sure to subscribe for more estate planning advice. A healthcare proxy, also called a medical power of attorney, is a vital part of your estate plan. Here's how to approach it step by step. First, choose the right person. The best proxy or power of attorney is someone you trust completely to honor your medical wishes. This person should also remain calm under pressure and make informed decisions during stressful situations. Many people choose a spouse, close relative, trusted friend, or adult child. Second, discuss your wishes. Before naming a power of attorney, have a conversation about your medical preferences, including life-sustaining treatments, resuscitation, and organ donation. Clear communication ensures your power of attorney understands your values and can make decisions that align with them. Next, name a backup. Life is unpredictable, and your first choice power of attorney may not be available when needed. Designating an alternate ensures there's always someone authorized to act on your behalf. Lastly, you need to formalize the designation. Work with an attorney to draft a healthcare power of attorney document that complies with Colorado law. This legal document should include your power of attorney's contact information and any other specific instructions you wish to include. Provide copies of the shared document to your power of attorney, to the alternate, and to your primary care doctor. Keep an additional copy in a safe but accessible location so it's readily available. You should periodically review your power of attorney, especially after major life events, to ensure your choice is still appropriate. If you need help creating a medical power of attorney or any other essential estate planning documents, contact us at Burr Law. We're here to guide you through every step of the process. For more ideas, like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below.